Hey guys, I am Murali. I hope you are all doing well. My intention for this channel is to share my knowledge and also learn from others. So let's collaborate. In the last few videos, we have been observing these two words frequently, FedNow Interface. But what is it? Let's explore that in this video. We have learned that a bank can communicate with the FedNow service using two functions. One is application to application functions and another one is user to application functions. The FedNow is a graphical user interface that is offered by the FedNow service to the banks to use user to application functions. The FedNow interface will be used by the participants to view and manage configurations for the service, run queries and reports and other activities. But this interface cannot be used to send or receive any value or non-value messages. In order to add each new subscriber to the interface, an organization's end user authorization contact EUAC must submit a subscriber request form via the EUAC Center online at Fedline Home, including the subscriber's request level of the access. Then FedNow team verifies and approves the access request. The FedNow service has defined the following roles as a hierarchy of the access levels. While submitting a request via EUAC, a bank should specify what access roles are required for them. The first one is supervisor. It is like a super user, or maybe you can call it as an admin user. So the supervisor role has the most edit access in the FedNow interface. Next one is the manager. This role has similar access to the supervisor role, except it does not have the ability to download the client channel definition table, which is CDDT file. Third one is a technical user. This role is specific to the key management and the ability to download the client channel definition table, again CCDT. Manager cannot do it, but technical user can do it. The final one is read-only user. This role offers only view-only access to the FedNow interface. We are now aware of the various access levels available in the FedNow interface. Also, in this slide, let's see the various features available in the FedNow interface. A bank can perform the following functions using this FedNow interface based on the access level, because only manager or supervisor alone provided with the edit access and all other roles have the view accesses. Sign on, sign off state, and credit transfer maximum transaction value limit, and liquidity management transfer maximum transaction value limit. These are having an edit access provided to the supervisor and manager, and all other user having an view access. And next one is the participant type. So this participant type can only be modified by the Reserve Bank, and all other banks user have the read-only access. Likewise, reserved receiver FI response time, negative list, and add and revoke public key. So all these functionalities can be performed by either supervisor or manager. When it involves a key, either it's revoking or an adding new key, so technical user can do it. And most of other users, it will be view access only. So when it comes to view participant and FedNow public keys, no edit access will be provided to any of the bank's user, but all of them can see it. The next one is the ad hoc query tool. Either it is a list view or a detailed view. So this is again not applicable for edit access, but it can be viewed by all the users. Automated delivery of end of the day reports and correspondent notification setting. So these two can be edited by supervisor and manager, and all other users can view it. And request and download FedNow service reports. Once again, so this is not edited by any of the bank's user, but it can be viewed by supervisor or the technical user. View connection party for the FedNow profile, view authorized connection profile, historical profile configuration changes, download client channel definition table file. So all these are available on not available for editing to any of the bank's user, but all the users can view it. While granting an access to the service provider on behalf of a bank, there are certain points to be considered and access should be provided accordingly. A participant using a service provider to connect to the FedNow service can grant the service provider edit, read-only or no permission accesses. When the FI has multiple third parties or service providers, permission to make the edit updates to the FI's participant profile, and they should coordinate the changes to avoid any unexpected changes or conflicting changes. So a bank should brief all the service providers what they should do, what they should not do. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned something from it. Please leave your thoughts as a comments. I'll read and reply to you. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video. Bye bye.